In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlink your Xbox account from Epic Games. So what you want to do first is open up Epic Games, the app, and once you've opened it, locate your profile icon right here at the top right, click on it, and then click on Account. You'll see a little pop-up sign next to it. And then you'll be taken to your account in your browser. So over here on the left sidebar, click on Linked Accounts, then scroll down and see if your Xbox account is in this list. As you can see, mine is here. Click on the drop down and then click on Unlink right here. And now you can see that just to confirm these statements, they're telling you to do this just to make sure that you really want to unlink it. And then click on Unlink. And as you can see, it says Xbox network account unlinked, and that's it. You can't see it in the list anymore. And that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.